Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how Stressy rig twist. So let's get started. Take a polygon cube, scale the cube slightly, right click, assign new material, select Lambert, change the Lambert color to red, go to front view, change modeling menu to rigging menu, go to skeleton, create joint, turn on wireframe mode, press X on your keyboard, create one joint here, one here and another here, press enter. Now select your cube, scale slightly, move the cube here, press D or insert key, press V to snap the pivot point at the lower bottom, again press D, press V to snap the cube just here, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap the cube on your next joint, press Shift plus D to duplicate a special. Now take a nerve circle, go to perspective view to see clearly, increase the size of your nerve circle, modify freeze transformation, press V to snap the nerve circle at your upper joint, V, see how I snap the nerve circle. Again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap it to the lower joint. Rename this one as upper and this one as lower. Now select this cube, shift select this joint, press P, do the same for all the cube. Now go to skeleton, create IK spline handle, reset the tool, go to your front view, click one at your lower joint and another to your upper joint, go to perspective view and see, again front view, skeleton, create joint, create one joint here, press enter, increase the size of your joint, press V to snap the joint to your uppermost joint, again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap this one at your lower joint. Now go to perspective view, select these two newly created joints, shift select your IK spline handle curve, go to skin, open bind skin option, edit, reset the setting, decrease the influence to 4, click apply and close. Now select the upper joint, try to move and see, Ctrl G to undo. Now select your upper controller, shift select your upper newly created joint, go to constraint, click parent constraint, do the same for the lower joint, lower controller, parent constraint. Now select this curve or upper controller, try to move and see, Ctrl G to undo, try to move on Y axis, it is not moving, Ctrl G to undo. So go to Windows, node editor, select your curve, click add selected node to the graph, remove selected node from graph, select this, remove selected node from graph, select the curve shape 1 of your IK curve, press tab key on your keyboard and type curve info, select this one, go to Windows, general editor, open connection editor, select your curve shape, IK curve shape, click reload left, select your curve info, click reload right, go down and connect your world space to your input curve. See, and type again, press tab key on your keyboard, type multi, select your multiply and divide node. Now click on this icon, this will enlarge your node. For this one, click an arc length, connect it to input 1x, select your multiply and divide node, click reload left, select your first joint chain, go to select, click hierarchy, open your connection editor, click reload right, display, deselect show non-keyable, select output 1x, connect it to scale x. See, first select, it is stressing automatically and destructed the shape. Select your multiply and divide node, open attribute editor, select this value input 1 14 and type here to input 2 and see, it is destroying. Change the operation multiply to divide. Now this time see, press A to show all. See, this time it is not destroying its shape. Again, for all the joint, output x to scale x. Now close your connection editor, select your upper controller, turn on shaded mode, try to move and see, it is now stressing. See, Ctrl G to undo. Now again try to twist, it is not showing any twisting effect. See the effect. To create twisting effect, select your IK handle, open attribute editor, go down, go to IK solver attribute, go to advanced twist option, click enable twist control, change it to object rotation up, start and end, positive x and y, type here 0 and also here 0, type here 1 and also 1, and copy the name of your upper controller and paste it to world object 2, lower controller world object for the upper one, press enter. Now this time select your upper controller, try to twist and see, try to rotate and see, it is now twisting. See the effect. In this process you can create stressy rig twisting. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.